I recently found a photo online that I really loved, but when I tried to save the original high-res version, it asked me to subscribe to a membership.
Oh no!
To be honest, paying for a membership just for one photo feels like such a waste. Sometimes, it's even worse, I can't find the original source at all, so I'm stuck saving the Watermark version. With those big watermarks all over the photo, it just doesn't look good and really ruins the experience. That's when I thought, if only there was an easy-to-use tool that could remove those watermarks. Then I discovered AVCLabs Photo Pro AI include an AI-powered photo watermark remover. With just a few simple steps, it can accurately detect and remove watermarks, making the photo clean and clear again. Now let me show you how simple it is to use. Step 1. Open AVCLabs Photo Pro AI and import the photo. Step 2. Choose the watermark using in Paint tool, or you can let the AI automatically detect the watermark area. Step 3. Click Apply to remove and wait a few seconds. Look, the watermark is gone, and the photo looks so much better instantly. Now you can export it for your need. Whether you want to save your favorite photos without the hassle or clean up watermarked images, AVCLabs Photo Pro AI is a super handy tool. If you're facing the same problem, give this smart watermark remover a try and make your photos look flawless. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.